Hi guys, this is Ryan Cabansag. Today we're gonna see how to install SQL Server 2008 R2. First we're gonna look for our setup. Double click. We're not gonna use any of this, so we're gonna go straight to the installation section. Click new installation or add features to an existing installation. Show details. All rules should have a check. Click OK. Enter the product key. Next. Accept the license terms. Next. Click install. All rules should have a check again. Click next. Click all features with defaults. Next. As you can see, all the features are checked. Click next. Show details. All rules should have a check. Next. We're gonna click default instance. Next. Click next again. We're gonna put the account I made. Next. Authentication mode should be Windows authentication mode. Add current user. Next. Add current user. Next. Install the native mode default configuration. Next. 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 These are the summary. Click install. And now we're done installing SQL Server 2008 R2. Thanks for listening to my quick tutorial. Goodbye.